Okay, so this was my very first time using the nail kit, so the application is not going to be the best. Anyway, I started off with some nail strengthener, I think that was, because my nails were pretty weak and I wanted them to have a little layer of something. I don't know. I didn't really know what I was doing. Anyway, so I applied the glue to the nail bit or whatever, and also to my nail. And as I was applying it, I realized this doesn't look like the Instagram and TikTok videos that I've seen. It doesn't look like the way that my nail lady does it. So I realized the glue is just too thin. I was trying so hard to get the bubbles out and, you know, have like a clean, application, but I couldn't get it. It took forever to apply these on. So I do recommend using a different glue, to be honest. I ended up buying a different glue. Also, I ended up buying a singular little lamp that is way easier to use, and it attaches to my table. Okay, so it only took a billion hours, but I finally got all of the nails on, and this is what it looks like. Again, like I said, not the greatest application, but here we go. And then, you know, I cut the nails, trim the nails, whatever you call this. I don't know the nail verbiage. Clip the nails, there you go, that's what you call it. Anyway, I kept the same shape, and then I just started filing down the tips. Honestly, putting on the nails is what took the longest, so I absolutely recommend getting a different glue. It's gonna make the application process way better. Okay, so here we have the nail strengthener, and I applied a layer of that to the nails. I didn't buff my nails because, again, it was my first time using the kit. I didn't know what I was doing. So then we cure the nail, and here we have the base gel. So then I applied a layer of that to the nails. And I don't even know if I was using this in order. Actually, I was using them in order because I was using a little manual that came with the kit. So now here we have the color polish, A160. My polish application is pretty trash, but they ended up looking really cute at the end. I only did my right hand nude, and for my left hand I wanted to do something different. So I did like a pinkish nude mauve ombre color sort of thing. It was really cute, but I didn't get a video of that. I only recorded my right hand because my left is my dominant, and this was going to be the best shots that I could get. Okay, so after polish, I cure the nails, and here comes the top coat. I actually really love Beetles. I recently bought a different brand of gel polish, and Beetles is still my favorite. I prefer their top coat over the new kit that I bought. So like I said, my application is not the best. I got gel polish on the side of my nails, and you know, obviously once you cure it, it hardens, but it's really easy to file down and get rid of. I don't really mind if I color outside of the lines because I can always file it down after curing. And ta-da! Here it is, the final look. This is the result. Not terrible for the very first time. I have obviously since have gotten way better, but I was really happy with the result. And there you have it.